welcome to our inspiring home tour, where we unveil 7 captivating interior designs for living rooms in Washington City homes. Get ready to immerse yourself in the urban chic and modern elegance that define the heart of the nation's capital. In this video, we're bringing you a glimpse of the Washington lifestyle through the lens of interior design. Each living room is a testament to contemporary sophistication, boasting clean lines, modern furnishings, and tasteful decor choices that mirror the city's dynamic energy. Don't forget to subscribe, and share your thoughts as we embark on this journey through the chic and inviting interiors of Washington City homes. Our focus is on creating spaces that effortlessly blend style and functionality. From cozy textures to vibrant pops of color, every element is carefully chosen to embody the vibrancy of Washington, D.C. You'll find subtle nods to local culture and heritage, interwoven with the chic urban aesthetics that characterize city living. While you delve into each design, observe how these living rooms effortlessly blend functionality and aesthetics. Embrace the harmony between contemporary elements and local charm that defines the living spaces within Washington's homes.